Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make funnel cake in the microwave. First, gather your simple ingredients for this quick dessert. This innovative approach allows you to enjoy the classic treat without the need for a deep fryer, making it perfect for a speedy snack. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you get a delicious result with minimal effort and time. Get ready for a sweet, easy-to-make treat. To start, combine 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour with 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar in a small bowl. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a tiny pinch of salt to the dry mixture. Give these a quick whisk to ensure they are well combined. Then, pour in 3 tablespoons of milk and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing until you have a smooth, pourable batter. Avoid overmixing to keep it light. Now take your batter and carefully pour it into a microwave-safe dish, like a pie plate or a large, flat bowl, creating a spiral or crisscross pattern. This helps achieve that classic funnel cake look. Place the dish in your microwave and cook on high for approximately 45 to 60 seconds, or until the cake is set and firm to the touch. Cooking times may vary slightly, so keep an eye on it. Once done, carefully remove it. Once your microwave funnel cake is ready, it's time for the best part, the toppings. A generous dusting of powdered sugar is a must for that authentic taste. You can also get creative with other additions like fresh berries, a drizzle of chocolate syrup, or even a dollop of whipped cream. This quick and easy dessert is perfect for satisfying those sudden sweet cravings. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to this insightful book and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade microwave funnel cake.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.